thanks for tuning in. On this episode of Dan's Garage, Dan takes a trip to LKQ. Don't know what that is? That's okay. Stay tuned to find out. Hey Dan, run that intro.
We're heading to LKQ. What we're after today is a radio for the Yukon so I can hook up a backup camera. If you don't know what LKQ is, it's basically a recycling center for cars. So what they do is they buy total loss vehicles from insurance companies that still have many good parts on them. Let's say a car got in a front end collision, damaged the whole front end, the hood, the fenders, the engine. That made the car a total loss, but it's still got plenty of good parts from the firewall back. So you can buy a rear bumper off of it, quarter panels, windows, any sorts of stuff like that. If this truck had it available stock and the wiring is in here, then all I have to do is change out the radio and change out that rear panel on the gate and get one with a camera, and hopefully the wires are there to plug it in. So that's what we're hoping for. But either way, we're going to go ahead and get a radio. Now, I looked online. Of course, I can get an aftermarket radio for a couple of $100 that'll fit in here, you know, a nice double din or something. Or I can go get a stock radio from a reseller. They're about $200 or $300 or $400, depending on where you get them from. LKQ's price, $49. That's right, $49. So the only catch with LKQ is unless you're a body shop or an insurance company, you basically have to go out and take it off the car yourself. So we got some tools in the back. We're heading on the road, and we're going to go to LKQ, and we'll pick it back up over there. All right, so we're pulling into LKQ Pick Your Part. These are all across North America. I don't think you guys have them in Canada, but they are here.
Your destination is on the right.
I've never actually done this before, so this is kind of my first time being here. So we're going to go over here to customer parking and see what we need to do. I guess we'll go inside and figure it out, and then we'll come back out and let you know how it went, I guess. I don't know. Hopefully I'll be able to drive in there and maybe check out some stuff, and we'll be able to film some stuff. But if not, I'll be back and let you know. So, wait here. Alright guys, so I'm walking around here and I finally found the truck. Only problem is, like the internet, it doesn't look like it did in the pictures. Well, that was a wash. I guess I wasn't really thinking. I was like, hey, you know what? This truck will be in perfect condition for me to come and grab this $300 radio for $49. Well, turns out this is what they posted, but keep in mind this is what the truck looked like when it got there, and what the truck looks like now is vastly different. And I guess I mean, I've never been to LKQ before, so if anybody has and they're like, dude, you're an idiot thinking you can get a radio after the truck's been there for like any amount of time. But I did talk to one of the guys that works there on the way out, and he said that you can sign up. There's an app. It's called LKQ P2P, I think, or PYP, Pick Your Part. And you can sign up in your garage and put in the vehicle that you're looking for, and it will alert you the night before a vehicle gets dropped in the yard, and you can be one of the first people to go out there and see it. And then you could probably get a radio. So that seems like the way to go for me, because other than getting a stock radio from LKQ for $49, I'm looking at least $150 to $200 to buy one off of someone else. I might be able to find somebody parting out a truck, or I can always go the aftermarket route. I can get a radio for like $200, a double din, whatever, and plug it in here. If I get one through Crutchfield or something like that, I should be able to get it so it hooks up to all the stock connections, and it'll fit in there and be all nicey nice. So that is also an option. So we'll just kind of keep this on the back burner for right now. It was a fun little adventure, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And or maybe somebody watching has a backup camera setup for an 07 Yukon, whatever, 05 to 12, and Yukon or Silverado or whatever. If somebody has, a radio with the backup camera capability and a backup camera plate that goes on the back gate, hit me up. Let me know. Send me an email. DansgarageNC@gmail.com. Let me know what you want for it. Maybe you can sell something to Dan's Garage and it'll be famous. And then maybe this will be the beginning of a video that I actually get one and I install the whole thing and I can like feature someone. So that would be cool. That would be really cool. We'll see what happens on the next adventure. So thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.